When head of Instagram Adam Mosseri was asked whether hashtags increase reach, his answer was, not really. So does it mean you have to ignore them altogether? Not really. You just need to know how to use them well. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I'll show you how you can make the best use of Instagram hashtags for your tourism business. So let's get started. A hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hash sign that people use on social media to find relevant content. So, including hashtags in your captions can help you reach customers that would be interested in your business and content. They're a great way to categorize your posts and ensure you reach your potential customers and, more importantly, that they find you. Hashtags are useful for 3 reasons. They can help you to get discovered by new people. They help you to get your content to the right people. And if you create a branded hashtag for your tourism business, you can encourage your customers to use it on posts about their experience with your business. For example, Wildtrek, a trekking and outdoor adventure company in West Cork, could use a branded hashtag #WildTrekCork. If someone takes a photo while on a trek and uses this hashtag in the caption of their post, then other people can search this hashtag and view more photos of Wildtrek's adventure. When it comes to hashtags, less is more. So it's best to use anywhere between 3 to 8 hashtags per post. Don't overdo it. To make your post even more targeted, you can break your hashtags into 3 pillars: location, industry, and searchability. Let's use the example of Wildtrek again. To help people looking for the best hiking and adventure companies around, you might use the hashtag #TrekkingCork. Now you will see what hashtags are used in this industry for inspiration. When it comes to location hashtags, you want to use what your business is plus your location in the hashtag. Use #TrekkingRoutesCork or #TrekkingRoutesIreland. Next up is your industry. With your industry, you want to use a hashtag that is related to the theme of your post. This depends on the images you use. If you put up photos of your most popular outdoor guides, use the hashtag #OutdoorCork. There are some very popular hashtags in the tourism industry that you can add to your list of options. These include #KeepDiscovering, #DiscoverIreland, #LoveDublin, #VisitDublin, #WinterInDublin, #IrelandTravel, and #Insta_Ireland. Now ask yourself what hashtags you think your potential customers would search for to find a business like yours. For example, #IrishAdventure. They might be looking for the best adventure and outdoor companies in Ireland without ever hearing of your business before. But using this hashtag will help you to get discovered by new people. Finally, beware of banned hashtags. They are the hashtags that Instagram users have reported because some posts using them go against Instagram community guidelines. For example, if those posts included inappropriate images. You can see if your hashtag is banned by searching for it. 2 of the most common examples of these are #Valentine's Day and #New Year's Day. Pop in your hashtag into the search bar, and if it is banned, you will see this message here. Just be careful and double check your most frequently used hashtags are safe to use. And there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how to check your Instagram insights to improve your post reach and how to best use Instagram stories for your tourism business. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at VoltaIreland.ie.